Today's video is going to be on basically showing you how to remove your cam and already semi-tore down motor. Now if you need to know how to remove this section in your oil pan, you know, the timing cover, link in the description below. I already made a video on that, but today's video is just going to be on removing the lifters and the cams. So hopefully you enjoy. If you do, be sure to drop a like, leave a subscribe, and you know, a comment be nice too. I'm Tats, I make videos, so let's get started. These are 10 millimeters. You got 2 bolts on each side. Don't lose that, Amos. That ain't got a thing on it. Then these guys pick straight up. Now you want to hang on to these. Some of these are brittle, and some people do change these, but mine looks to be in awesome shape. So when doing this, you can get you a box and put everything in. That's what we're doing. We got these and our 4 bolts. Amos, you want to pull the other lifters? Sometimes you might have to crank the motor over in order to get them. And if you're replacing these, it really don't matter where they go back neither, because they roll lifters. You can check them for damage. 1 or 2. So like Amos done getting his side.
You gonna reuse these?
Probably.
Don't blame you.
They're expensive and they factory GM, guys. You know, you can buy aftermarket cheap set lifters, but if it ain't comp or a good name brand, just keep your factory GM ones. Now with the 10 millimeter on it, I'm going to drop you down so you get a good view here of us pulling the cam out. So your cam for your truss plate is 10 millimeters, say 4 bolts. 1, 2, oops. You know what's the only thing I have bad about these impacts, hey, is I took 2 of them back to O'Reilly's, and both of them loses the little clip. Like if they can make a good impact, if it stay on though. Your truss plate will come straight off just like so. You can tell the back because of this O-ring here. Very simple. You can actually replace these, and it's actually recommended. Are we going to do it? Who knows? Now this is the cam sprocket bolts. You can actually use the water pump bolts too to remove this. You know, your front water pump bolts, same thread. Just pull out, be gentle with it, keep it balanced. Try not pull your cam bands out with it, and don't look at them. That's what they say. Notice how gentle I'm being? I usually ain't this gentle.
That's what she said.
Huh?
Oh, your burns look good, sir. Mine's gonna be the ones that wore out.
That's a factory cam. Here you go. I'm gonna set that somewhere. Set it on that PVC pipe, the cam holder. A homemade cam holder. Now, this is the part you would take your new cam and shove in there without looking at your cam bands. Now, me being the guy that I am, and if you watched any of my videos, is going to feel sorry for what I'm about to do, most likely. I'm going to look at my cam bands. So, this is the factory 2-piece balance. I know, guys, you shouldn't look at them, but we do got a little bit of wear here, but the cam looks good. I really don't think that's much to worry about. I'm going to have to debate changing these cam bands or not, since I did look at them. And if I change the cam bands, I might as well change the crank bands, rod bands. But I might just leave these. We'll see. We got the motor looking pretty good. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and as always, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.